to another vlog. We are starting another couple days in my life. Today is Wednesday morning. I got up, I had my coffee, I posted a reel, and then I got ready for the day. So this is what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna head over to the studio and I'm going to make some breakfast, and Ann and I are gonna get to work. Another chilly day here in the Midwest. We still have snow, so keeping it really simple. I have on this amazing chunky navy sweater. This is like the softest, most high quality sweater. What I love about this is that it gives like chunky vibes, you know, like how it's like that cozy look, but it is not suffocating. Like, it's still very breathable. This was actually sent to me from the brand Quince. I'm just so excited I've been wanting a navy sweater, as weird as that sounds. I just wanted like a really pretty navy turtleneck, and I love it. I was thinking about tucking it in, but I kind of like the way it looks left out. And then I paired it with a pair of Ecru jeans, pants from Madewell, and then my snow boots that I absolutely love, and then my little earrings that are from J.Crew. Very simple everyday look. I'm gonna grab a little coat. We're gonna go see Ann and get some work done for the rest of the week. So subscribe if you're new. I'm so excited to just pick up the vlog and continue sharing what a work week looks like for me. And yeah, I think we're gonna have fun together. All right, hi guys. So I have been over at my parents' house working for a little bit, and I just stopped for lunch, and I figured I would share what I'm eating because I feel like I always say like, oh, I just ate lunch or whatever, but I never really share it. So this is what I have. I did a bed of lettuce with 2 pieces of turkey, like shredded up, a whole like little container of cottage cheese, and then I love putting the everything but the bagel seasoning on top of it, and then I just like cut it up and kind of eat it like a salad. I have a hard-boiled egg with some salt and pepper, and then a baby cucumber with some mustard. So this is what I'm eating. I think my mom's also gonna make lunch, and we're gonna eat that together and then just get back to work. But just doing a lot of admin computer things today, and yeah, enjoying our Wednesday. This is a better look at my little plate, but this fills me up, very healthy, and then I'll probably have a snack. Hey, hi guys. I just got back from my parents' house. Really uneventful day. After I ate lunch, I literally just worked my computer all afternoon and got a bunch of stuff done with my mom in her office. Had a little cappuccino for the afternoon, iced cappuccino I made at home. Just got back to my apartment. I actually went to the grocery store to get dinner for tonight. I'm currently having some gluten-free pretzels, and I'm gonna change and go work out in my just apartment gym. Probably just walk on the treadmill for like 45 minutes because I feel like I've been sitting. I'm wearing this little coat that's actually like fairly old from J.Crew, but it's so cute. So I'm gonna change, go do a little workout, and then you and I will cook some dinner together, which should be exciting. All right, you guys know the drill. All black for my workout outfit. I just popped my hair up in a clip since I'm gonna be like power walking basically. Lululemon, my favorite little ankle socks, and my On Clouds. So let's go work out. I'm defrosting my chicken, and then we're gonna cook when I come back upstairs. For dinner, we're gonna roast some Brussels sprouts in the oven. So I preheat my oven. And then we're gonna have some cauliflower rice, and we are going to grill 2 chicken breasts. I just had a hard-boiled egg with some pepper and salt for a little snack. Workout was great. I just walked on the treadmill, and now I'm going to cook all this up. I might also make a salad to start with, and then I think for dessert I'm gonna have a cup of Greek yogurt with some strawberries and blueberries. I'm very much in my health era. Traditionally to be coffee. Dinner's done, cauliflower rice, a bunch of Brussels sprouts, and 2 pieces of chicken. I just used salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder to season everything. So I'm gonna sit on the couch and eat this. I'm having a little dessert, 3 scoops of Greek yogurt. I think I did like a bunch of strawberries, maybe 6, a bunch of blueberries, and then I measured out, this looks like a massive amount of granola, but I measured out, I think it was only like 1/4 of a cup. So this is my dessert. Hi guys, happy Thursday, hopping out of the vlog. It is around 10 o'clock, and I've already had such a great morning. I'm currently filming. I have my light. I just filmed a little get ready with me that's going to be up on my Instagram reels with all of these like amazing Ralph Lauren pieces. So chic. So stuff is kind of all over the place because every time I film in like this little space, I have to like move everything, but I'm also eating my breakfast while I do this, just some Greek yogurt that I just shared. I'm gonna take some mirror pictures and then maybe film a few other things, but then I'm gonna actually pick out an outfit for today and head over to the studio. But happy Thursday. It is like the most sunny, gorgeous day. I think it's warmer because a lot of the snow has melted, which is great. So yeah, I love when the sun comes out in the winter. I feel like it makes a huge difference. I'm literally just like walking around with my taupe right now as if I'm going somewhere, and I'm not, but excited for another day. Hi guys, it's been like a little bit later. I could not figure out what to actually wear today, and I arrived at like such a simple outfit. I'm just wearing these black pants from Wit and Wisdom, my little Western booties that I love, this belt which is from Anthropologie, this sweater that I've had literally forever from J.Crew, but it's one of my favorites just because I think it's pretty flattering, and then my earrings are J.Crew. So all of that rigmarole for a very simple outfit. I'm gonna throw on my coat and actually head over to the studio. You're in the car right now. I just wanted to give you a little Thursday update. I'm with Anne, she's driving. We've had a very productive afternoon. We went to the textile company who is producing our sweatshirts because we had to check out the color. They had a swatch of gray just to make sure that the shade of gray was the one that we wanted, and then we were feeling like another material that's possible for our sweatshirt. So we did that, and then we got a car wash. I had to renew my P.O. box, pick up some PR from the UPS store, and then we popped into a little boutique and we picked up some like Valentine's Day pieces for some gifts for friends. And now we're going to get a little hot tea, and then we're gonna go back to the house. But yeah, that was kind of our afternoon. We needed like just a couple hours to get these things done, but happy Thursday. It's much warmer here in the Midwest. It was like freezing temperatures, and then today all of a sudden it's like 40 degrees. So that's what we're doing. Anne's in a cape, so you know all is well. We are back home, and I'm in the front of the house because I just filmed some videos for my stories, but I actually also want to share this on YouTube. So big news, I think I mentioned this in my last vlog. J.Crew gifted me a few pieces for spring, some of their new arrivals, which was just so incredible. I don't know why I'm crouching like this. I could easily stand back. I worked with J.Crew for the holidays, like right before Christmas, and it was also just like a pinch me moment and one of my actual goals for the year. So then when they reached back out to give me some pieces for like February and spring, I was so excited. So I just undid everything, but I have 2 boxes of stuff and just such chic pieces. So the first thing are these new silk pants. This is actually a new just like piece of apparel item that they have. They also come in navy, and it has like this stripe down each of the sides. And they paired this with flats and also this little like long lady jacket sweater. This honestly kind of looks like the Jenni Kayne. It's super like heavy, really cool material, buttons down the front, 2 pockets, so cool. I mean, I'm gonna get so much use out of this just on like a day-to-day basis. I'm obsessed. So this was a look together, and then they wore it with like ballet flats and like a little crossbody. So this next piece is so pretty. I am in love with this gorgeous shade of blue. I think it's so pretty and bright and just an easy way to add some color into your wardrobe. This is gonna be great for like every day. Pair it with Ecru pants or denim. You could even wear this to work. I usually get my tops in a small or like a 4 at J.Crew, and they fit great. And then the last item, this is actually part of a set, so I kind of feel like I might need to go and get the, I think it's a skirt or like a skirt, but look how gorgeous this lady jacket is. I know I'm gonna be wearing this a bunch throughout the winter and into the spring because it's so beautiful. Again, another great work piece. So that was my little J.Crew haul. How exciting that they thought of me and gifted me some items. But now what I'm gonna do is put this stuff in my car, and I'm actually gonna run back to my apartment because I'm going to work out tonight with my sweet boyfriend who's gonna be my little trainer. We're going to his gym, and yeah, we're gonna just work out together. We've been wanting to do this for so long, and we're doing it tonight. And then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and get stuff for dinner and cook dinner. He actually has a furniture delivery at like 7, so he's gonna get the furniture and we're gonna see that. It's gonna be fun. It's a lot of fun stuff going on tonight. So yeah, I will link all of the J.Crew stuff in the description box and head back to my apartment. All right, it's been a little later. I'm back at my apartment. Such a productive night. I went and worked out with my boyfriend. He was my little trainer. I think I got like 2 clips of him that I put in the vlog. We went to his gym, which is like 12 minutes away, and I just like I was just like a guest for the afternoon because we were wanting to do this for literally so long. So we worked out for like a long time. He works out for like literally 2 hours a day. That is not me. But he showed me just like a bunch of like easy stuff to do with weights. So I probably worked out for like an hour, but he was there before me because I was finishing some work up at the studio. So then I met him there. We worked out, and then where his gym is literally like right across the street from the Trader Joe's. So then we went to Trader Joe's and got stuff for dinner, and then I just picked up a few things for the rest of the week, which I'll show you. He made us dinner, which was so good. So this is what I got from Trader Joe's. All right, I got a loaf of sourdough because I'm already preparing for this weekend because we're probably gonna go out tomorrow night, and I always love ordering like a bagel sandwich after a night out, but I'm gonna do the healthier version, and I'm gonna do like a piece of sourdough toasted with butter, 2 eggs, and then I have turkey, or I'm either gonna get like sliced ham and some hot sauce. So I got that for this. So I'm prepared for this weekend. Some eggs, because I needed eggs. Some turkey. He always gets this coffee and raves about it, so I needed more iced coffee, so I got that. More non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Then I got some avocado oil spray to cook with, and then I got some frozen mangoes, which have been in my car, so we need to put these, actually I'm putting them in here right now. Hopefully this come back to life, but that's my little Trader Joe's haul. I'm gonna put this away and then hop in the shower, do my red light, do my skincare, and then get into bed. I might have some frozen mangoes and Greek yogurt though for like a little dessert if I feel like it after I shower. But yeah, that was my Thursday. Okay guys, I've been doing my red light mask every night. I look like my boyfriend calls it Robot Emily. I do this every night after I take a shower. You have to do it before you put any of your moisturizers or serums or anything like that. So like just a clean face. Sometimes I use this on my hands as well. Like, I mean, even though it has like, you know, eye holes and stuff, I'll just like put my hand under it and I'll do one at a time. Red light is just really good for like building collagen and helping your anti-aging and all these things. You can look up the benefits, but I will link the exact one that I'm using in the description box. Switch laundry, fold laundry, run the dishwasher, and get set up for tomorrow as I do this. All right, folding all of this laundry that I did today. Okay, I laid out the sweater that I'm wearing tomorrow. I am probably gonna do like Ecru pants with this, but I always like to put out what I'm wearing when I have like Laura days or something planned. So yeah, this is one of the new items from J.Crew. Now I'm gonna get into bed. Good night, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I just got over to my parents' house. It is our Laura work day, so let me put you guys here. I get over here a little early and I'm gonna make some coffee in our coffee pot. We have a Smeg coffee pot in taupe. This is what I'm wearing. I just threw this on, one of my new pieces from J.Crew that was sent to me, and I'm wearing a little black belt. Hi guys, happy Friday. I was talking to you a little earlier, but we are here in this studio. As you guys know, Laura comes once a week, so she is here today and we're doing our like in-studio work day. We're getting so much done. We just got a lot of new clothes in that we were hanging up, and then we also got one of our first products for our new collection in, which is so exciting. I'll give you a little sneak peek. I undid some very exciting PR. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm wearing this really cute new lady jacket that I got from J.Crew. Showed you guys that yesterday. I just made another pot of coffee and we're just getting a lot done. Doing some more mood boards for date nights and the upcoming Valentine's Day, holiday celebrations and stuff like that. So just feeling really good as we head into the weekend. Let me share what I'm wearing. Okay, so I just paired this with a little black belt, my Ecru jeans, my black loafers, which are my house shoes, and my earrings are J.Crew. So very simple, and just like a little white t-shirt underneath it. This is such a great transition piece for right now, obviously, but then as we move into spring, you're gonna have a bunch of color at the ready. Also figuring out some outfits for a trip coming up next week, and then just like some upcoming reels and stuff. Okay, I got this really cool PR package from Neutrogena. They sent me their new hydrated skin. This is the Hydrator Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. I actually think this has been around for a while because when I unboxed it, my mom said that she used to use it. She really liked it. And then this little sleep mask. And then they also gifted this really cute sweatshirt, which was super nice. And then from Blue Land, they actually sent me, I think I'm working with them actually here on YouTube, so you get to see a little sneak peek. They sent me some like laundry detergent, and then I think it's like this hand soap. And this will be really cute for my apartment. Over here from, excuse me, Bare Minerals, another really cool sweatshirt. And look, this even has my name on it, which is so cool. And then they sent me a bunch of these powders, which I'm really excited to try. My mom absolutely loves Bare Minerals, so maybe she will take a few. And then two new things as well from L'Occitane. This huge hand cream, which we love L'Occitane. We've been using so many products, especially in the winter. And then from Ralph Lauren, they sent me a new fragrance. I think this is women's. Let's see if I can open it. Excited to try, and the packaging is so perfect for like upcoming Valentine's Day gifts. So yeah, just kind of getting some PR out and unboxing that. And then a little sneak peek, you guys get to see it first, of some of our hats that just came in for our upcoming collection. Look how stunning these are. They say the bow club, and then it says better with a bow. So we have so many hats ready to roll. And we were kind of like styling some outfits around those. And then also got some clothes in from White House Black Market for like an upcoming workwear reel. Say that 3 times. And just really good like everyday staple pieces. And I love this pink, like even heading into spring. So that'll probably be shot like next week. But overall, just having a really productive day. We're also just loving our framed scarf here in the studio. It just like looks so good above the couch and warms everything up. So I will link this frame again. I know I showed it in last video, but if you missed it, if you want something similar for your space, I can leave a link. Just having a very productive Friday, getting things in order. Really excited about some of our upcoming content. And yeah, be sure to check it out on Instagram. Hi guys, so I just left my parents' house after working today with Laura, and I'm actually going to get a haircut. I actually got my haircut like 2 weeks ago, and then I just decided that I don't like any part of it, and I think that I want to go shorter. So this is what we're working with right now, which is fine, but it's really just like dragging me down. So I think we're gonna go a little shorter, and I'm excited to share with you guys what it looks like. So this is the before. I'm gonna go see my hair girl Annie, who's amazing, and I will show you the after. Okay guys, I have my new hair. It honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it turned out a lot better than I thought. I was there for an hour and a half, which for me is a long time because she normally just like trims it and then like blow dries it. But anyway, I think it turned out so well. We took 3 inches off, and I added so many layers, which I think is gonna be a really big game changer, just like on a day-to-day, it looking a lot better. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Came home, took my makeup off, redid my makeup. I just filmed a little reel for tomorrow. I sent a video to my hair to my mom, and I'm all ready to go. I had a snack, and now my boyfriend's picking me up, and we're about to go out to dinner. I'm so excited for date night because we have not been out to dinner together in a month. We took like a big break for January. We were really in our health era. It's also, he's ending dry January today. Him and his friends did it. I did like damp January, so excited. We're going to one of our favorite spots. It's kind of rainy out, so let me show you what I'm wearing, but I hope you guys like my hair. I'm wearing this amazing new sweater that I got at a local boutique, but it's like a total Jenni Kayne dupe, and I unbuttoned the bottom too. For pants, I'm wearing my favorite Zara flare jeans, black Dolce & Gabbana booties. My purse is my new Celine purse, so I love little brown. And then my Heaven Mayhem earrings. Honestly, I kept it really simple today just because like the hair, you know, wanted that to be the focus. But anyway, he just got here, so we're gonna head out, and I'm so excited for tonight.
Someone had to have.